BJP kachari mithanga le kichumatha lokpen non tribal aphan permit ki pia pathak APHLC pen karbok Tularam Senapati Akumlin Parjapnangji Pura TPS ke ADC pen DC Rideng Pinpura lo kapajerdam Minister Barim Rupan Singh Ronghang arong chevoy tanglo Kardom Adap Abirta long pen ilisami villain rong parpi nonarjuik tha birta angton pen Surihini runner cap National Mineral Policy aron pen hawar along pen kelong ador kiso harmu kirai komji aphan along tin aphan jakong ki piang bong akaprek along ripen ke wang atum aphan ke khangdun jia jakong kache pharang dovek nang jipura APHLC pen DC along an kapale
Karbi Anglong mate 6 schedule kaparluang kang ador kiso harmu kelong pon jasemet coal cement grade limestone, kaolin mate china clay, fire clay, feldspar, radioactive minerals, granite, silimanite, quartzite, pyrite pen kechenglok ador sumuchot kilong kang ara hormu lake platinum, vanadium lapen titanium henlo. Pinpur me National Mineral Policy surihini runner cap aningkan kapathik aronalong lahaya hormu aphan kilang karai kom pameji aphan aronalo State Kachari pen jasemet 6 schedule ajakong kipi along ta do Laan ajakong kipi kapethik ponalong Karbi Anglong kerai kom ponji kalisi aron re pen kifur kejor kang hupen amithang ali alabaphan mathalok pen kiklema puthak APHLC lamjai sarpu angtong ingti pen BJP Kachari HAD Minister Anparta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM EM atumaphan arbok Pudhot National Mineral Policy surihini rakriser cap customer pontu arona teng pen sitame Article 244 pen ketok dak schedule angkang aphan pajok pon nangji athema alang litum methang along si kupi koson kang hoi pen claim ponji make ajakong pidadlo bon sitame non lahai ador ke soharmu methang along rialong kilong vek ahormu sitame angtan pen nangkapa jujam claim jamason ke theglong mate tender notice ki pia puthot aron lang pami pen ingchap pami pen si kam claim ponji aphan APHLC Kachari spokesman angtong ingtia hin pen lam thepiklang dipu pen sarjep kathar Karbi Anglong live
Bank account along pen tangka kang bua birta chathang flup Api sai jogje suri trok sose SBI ATM card Tripura long kang hapon
SBI ATM card nang lirideng along do igma jongsi nang lirideng along do pulote isi ningduk abirta State Bank of India Tripura along ri Agartala along suri trok sose ATM card aphai sai jogje pen SBI atum pen ing hapon tanglo Keong dungarat SBI along kachibirti atangka account along pen pinangkan hok lapuson tlardak chinisi SBI atum suri trok sose ATM card ing hapon cheglo lapuson account along pen tangka kangbo kupi koson athe pensi lapuson mandet loma pura tlardak kachiniji aphan raikom saikhiatum ritar libomlo Pinpur me atheke Tripura along rialong bangso tomon langnoki japon angbong Karbi Anglong along ta nangli rok jima pura ning dip karkara sonsi manlo News report Rongbong Terang Karbi Anglong live Hamren
Thousand Progressive Society Karbi Anglong District Committee ahen pen patir piponsi Havraghat along Tularam Senapati Akumlin Parjapnangji Pura Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia Phan Pinpuraldo Kapajerdam
Havraghat Subdivision arong supi Havraghat along Tularam Senapati Akumlin Salam Nangji pu hangsi phaikuni Queenar Kebarni Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia Phan Ipak Pinpur alo pajir Dimasa Kochari Aphorkimo Apharalong Kachirap Kedo Tularam Senapati Akumlin Parjapnangji Bangso Pinpur alo kapajerdam along Thousand Progressive Society Amaipu Lapen Kongchun Bangahin Pen Japonsi Ari Sangho tum laso Pinpur alo kapajerdam along Chitodun News Desk report Karbi Anglong live
West Karbi Anglong mati lakha ingkoi bathalang so LA Constituency MLA mati Minister Barim Rupon Singh Ronghang arong chewoi tanglo alangli Dipu Civil Hospital along sichilang bo mahutsi bangso pir thepen chi utikangno
West Karbi Anglong Dwar Amla Constituency arlo Bhoksong arong amikar mati Minister Barim Rupon Singh Ronghang alangli kiswajok haikuni Great Roxiajo Dipu Civil Hospital along sichilang bo mahut asangtet igdenlo alangli pirthe kahache arong Bhoksong along si arong kethonji aphan Dipupen pontanglo alangli arong kachiboy hut arta troksi kebra isian plengponlo Minister Barim Karlitang Rupon Singh Ronghang inut toklang aning kehango abangphu toklang aning kiriyajok alangli Karbi hamphangang bongpen kechengsi MSc First Class chipalong abangphulo UPSC asalang chipa unsi alangli Coffee Board along Liaison Officer Bengaluru along Ki Pangchenglo alangli Suri Chris Sirkeb aningkan boreng arpupen COC hemprek kehang along Sundunlo Laso api Congress pen tiket chipalong si baithalang so LAC pen MLA chipahai Tarun Gogoi asorkar along alangli toklang lapen opran asai kam a minister arpu nongni pen Ki Pajut Minister Barim men arong kachiboy jui ajok Karbi Anglong arat ning monduk chipirinti Minister Barim men gang apir thepen kachiu tekang bok aputhak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang ahin pen chikimodun si ningduk chipaklan News Desk report Karbi Anglong live
Kewangji Suri hini ra ingkoi thang achiklo ang bong kapaduponji Film Fair aphat nihang ni rep ahawar towar kachulang
Nihang ni rep along riyang bong Suri hini ra ingkoi Film Fair kapaduponji kodak koson along rilo nang lichinima Bonta Halloween lapuson kali Birta kelong dun ateng Asam along ri arlo Guwahati along matsi bangso Film Fair doponpo Apor kihot ateng pen kilong Abirta laki thang achiklo ang bong kapichun ponchi alamdo bangso Film Fair achatayalong ilitum athengno nang kapaliji laki Bollywood alamkan arjan along kachiparjan Salman Ranbir Deepika lapen Aishwarya Rai Bachchan hai huilo Bollywood alamkan arjan along kachiparjan ang bong pirthe adang along nongnam kachithang club actor actress atumaphan asam along rialong dimplong isia boha kapeman laki Birta Kemisi Asonsi Manpo Athe Asamalong Rialong Bollywood alamkan arjan kasonsi mimi pinang adimdo News report Rongbong Tirang Karbi Anglong live Hamren
Pinia Adap Abirta bangke lapan sikang ton iglo chukle me chodam me kardom